Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to remove pre-authorizations on your PayPal account. A pre-authorization is a temporary hold placed on your account when you approve a payment. It stays pending until the merchant completes the transaction or the authorization expires. In most cases, you cannot cancel a pre-authorization yourself, but you can contact the merchant and request that they cancel it. Now let's get started. First, open the PayPal website or app and sign into your account. Now go to the Activities section, then find and select the pending payment or authorization you want to remove. After that, review the transaction details. Now use the contact information provided on the transaction page to contact the merchant. Then request that they cancel the order or remove the pre-authorization if the purchase is no longer needed. After the merchant cancels the authorization, the pending hold will be removed from your PayPal account. If the merchant doesn't cancel it, the authorization will usually expire automatically within 29 days, depending on the type of transaction. If the payment has already been completed, you'll need to contact the merchant directly to request a cancellation or refund, as completed payments cannot be reversed by removing the authorization. Finally, keep checking your activity page to see when the pending authorization disappears or changes to a completed payment. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.